Hello everyone. Another very common issue in our houses right there in your medicine boxes. Go check expired drugs. Yes, you should never take expired drugs and they have to be said goodbye and you have to throw them out. But how to do it? That is what is important. Always check the expiry date very carefully. That's the last day of the month which is written on the packaging. But if you have not stored your drugs properly, they can expire soon too. Expired drugs should never be taken. They don't work and they can even be toxic. Please don't donate the expired drugs. Now let's understand how to get rid of them. Best is if you have a take back location, drop them off. We have a flush list, that is, this is the list of the drugs. Only these salts, if present, they can be flushed down the toilets too. But please don't flush any other medication. If you have to throw your medication in your household garbage, then simple steps have to be followed. First, remove the medicines from the original containers or original packaging. Don't crush the capsules. Mix your tablets, your capsules, your syrups, and even take out the cream out of the tubes. Mix everything together in something which is unappealing and unpalatable. Like you can mix them in dirt, you can mix them with your leftover of tea and coffee. Mix, seal, and then throw them in your trash. Never throw loose pills. If you want to discard your needles, your insulin pens, your syringes, please don't throw them loose. Always put them in something sturdy or like puncture-proof containers. Seal them and then throw them. Inhalers, don't puncture, don't burn them ever. And if you have patches which have expired, take them out, fold the sticky side, seal them, throw them. All these medications can actually be very harmful and pollute the environment and can be dangerous for the humans as well as the animals. So please, next time when you are disposing of your expired medications, then be considerate. Till then, if you like the videos, kindly subscribe my channel for more such useful videos. Till then, let's keep inspiring each other and healing each other. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Good day.